Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're talking about something that flips the way most people think about sales. People don't buy your product first. They buy you. Before they ever look at your pricing, your modules, your bonuses, or your testimonials, people are buying your energy. They are buying your conviction, your clarity, your certainty, and the way you make them feel about their future. In the beginning, the product details barely matter. What matters is whether they trust you enough to lead them to the transformation they want. This is why two people can sell nearly identical products, but one will outsell the other by a landslide. It's not because the product itself is that much better. It's because the audience trusts the person delivering it. They trust their experience, they trust their leadership, they trust that when problems come up, this person knows how to guide them through it. People are starving for realness. They are craving leaders who show up as human, not just sales machines. They don't want perfection. They want connection. They want to feel like they are buying into a relationship. A relationship where you actually care whether they succeed, not just whether they swipe their card. This is why your story matters. This is why your presence matters. This is why building real trust, real authority, and real relatability is more powerful than just stacking product features. When people believe in you, selling becomes a formality. They aren't just buying the product. They're buying the possibility of their own next level through you. Final tip. Your product is the vehicle. You are the driver. If people trust you to get them to the destination, they'll get in. Every time. Build that trust first, and the sale becomes the easiest part.